Hello, SSS members and pensioners! It's me, Angel. Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Sasagutin ko tong comment ni Sir Enrique. Hi, Sir. Sabi niya, good afternoon po, Ma'am. Ma'am Angel. My concern is, paano po if ang member is nakabili siya ng St. Peter plan? Ano pong mangyayari sa funeral? Pwede po ba i-encash ng beneficiary? Salamat po and hoping na matugunan. Yes po, makukuha pa rin ang funeral claim sa SSS. Mga ma'am and sir, doon po sa may mga funeral plan or funeral insurance na kinuha, no, like St. Peter, don't worry po dahil ma-avail nyo pa rin sa SSS ang funeral claim. Ito lang po yung mga kailangan nyo. So according to SSS, what if the burial was paid via funeral plan? Ito po, number 1, if memorial or insurance was in the name of the deceased member, submit certification of availment from the memorial or insurance plan company for children, parents, or legal heirs of the deceased member of pensioner only. So yun, sinasabi po dito, kapag po ang deceased member ay meron siyang funeral claim na nakapangalan po sa kanya, nakapangalan sa deceased member. Ang kailangan nyo lang pong isabit sa SSS ay Certification of Availment from the Memorial or Insurance Plan Company. Malinaw po? So ngayon pangalawa naman, if memorial or insurance was in the name of the claimant, submit Certification of Availment from the Memorial or Insurance Plan. Company indicating the name of deceased member, claimant, and date of death and proof of payment for memorial or funeral insurance plan indicating the name of the claimant. Ang ibig pong sabihin dito, kapag po yung funeral plan ay nakapangalan po siya sa claimant, yung magki-claim po ng funeral benefits sa SSS, ang kailangan nyo pong isubmit ay Certification of Availment from the Memorial or Insurance Plan Company, indicating, dapat po nakalagay doon ang name ng deceased member. No? Claimant, name ng claimant and date of death and proof of payment for memorial or funeral insurance plan indicating the name of the claimant. So dapat po makikita ni SSS doon yung mga gustong makita ni SSS, no? Katulad nitong name ng deceased member, claimant and date of death and proof of payment for memorial or funeral insurance plan, indicating the name of the claimant. So yan yung dalawa na yan guys. Itong una kapag yung funeral plan ay nakapangalan sa namatay na member. Ito namang pangalawa kapag ang funeral plan ay nakapangalan naman sa claimant. Pwede nyo rin pong i-search sa Google guys ang SSS Circular Number 2023-009. Ito po ay revised guidelines on the Social Security Funeral Benefit Program. So dito po sa proof, letter D, sa proof of payment of funeral expenses, letter D number 4. 4.B, 4B, ayan. For any claimant other than the surviving legal spouse, the following conditions shall apply. So andito yung sa letter B guys, certification of availment of memorial or funeral insurance plan. Sa amount po ng funeral claim, nakalagay po dito, kapag yung member na namatay ay meron po siyang hindi bababa sa 36 months na contributions. So nagre-range po ito ng 20,000 to maximum of 60,000 pesos. Depende po ito kung gaano kalaki yung contributions ng member at kung gaano siya katagal nagko-contribute sa SSS. Okay? Pero kapag yung member na namatay naman ay meron siyang contribution sa SSS na hindi umabot ng 36 months. Kumbaga 1 month to 35 months lang. So nakafix na po itong funeral claim na 12,000 pesos. Sa amount po ng funeral claim guys, hindi po ito magbabase kung magkano yung funeral expenses nyo ha. Magbabase po ito doon sa contributions ni member. Alright, SSS members and pensioners, bago ko po end ang ating video for today, ang mga products na to ay available po, ang link nasa description ng aking video. Alright, so that's all from my video for today. Thank you so much for watching everyone. God bless you.